my people? Welcome back to the winning start. Yo, I hope you're having a lekker blessed day today. Lekker means good. If you can already tell, some of the winning start fam you hear on here is from South Africa, so you may hear some South African slang from time to time. Try to keep up. So now that I gave you that lekker explanation, we're gonna have some fun today. Let's get into it. Last time, we were chatting nicely about the history of ChatGPT. Then, we went through how to actually log in step by step. Today, we're keeping it chilled, more relaxed, We're just gonna set ChatGPT up the way we like it. Get comfy with it, and let it get comfy with us too. Yeah, I know that sounds a bit dodgy when I say get familiar with you, but relax, it's not creepy like that. It's just so this thing can give you the proper fire responses you actually want. Think of it like your personal assistant, man. The more you tell it who you are, what you like, how you talk, the better it serves you. Simple. Right, let's go. I'll try to leave small gaps between each step, but if you're battling to keep up, just pause the video and go back whenever you're ready. No stress. Step 1. We're opening up ChatGPT right now. If you haven't signed in yet, do that quickly. Now, look down in the bottom left corner, you'll see your username there. If you never put a profile pic, it's probably just showing your initials in the circle. Right under your name, it shows which plan you're on. Today, we're rocking the free plan, no problem. Go ahead, click on that profile circle with your initials. Then choose Settings. Now go to Data Controls. In Data Controls, you'll see that option, Improve the model for everyone. You can switch it off if you want, mine stays off. That one is basically giving OpenAI permission to use your chats to make ChatGPT smarter for everybody. Me, I'm like, they've got enough people already helping them, ne? But if you want to turn it on, no judgment, it's all good. Then scroll down a bit. You see Delete All Chats. That's your wipe everything clean button. If you press it, poof, all your chat history gone, fresh start. But just below that, there's Export Data. If you ever want to keep a copy of everything, click there, request the export, and read what it says first, okay? Now, I'm closing that out. Next thing, let me show you temporary chat. Close all of this, go up to the top right corner. Hover there, it says turn on temporary chat. Click it. Now it should say temporary chat at the top. And look what it tells you. This chat won't appear in your chat history and won't be used to train our model. So this one is perfect when you don't want anything saved at all. And honestly, even when it's off, they're not supposed to train on your stuff anyway, since we already turned that improve the model thing off. But for me, I'm switching temporary chat back off now because I want ChatGPT to remember things about me. Like, say I was busy checking out monitors earlier and we were talking about a black Samsung one. Later, I can just say, bro, go back to what we were talking about earlier. That black Samsung monitor. What was the model again? And it should pull it up for me because memory is on. Okay, couple more quick things. Go back to your profile circle again and click it. Next, click on Personalization. Here, you can choose how ChatGPT should speak to you, the tone. You'll see all the options. I usually keep mine on professional. I like it that way. You can also add characteristics. If you look here, you'll see warm. You can make it more friendlier and more personable. Here, you have enthusiastic, where you can give ChatGPT more energy and excitement. If you look down below right here, you'll also see headers and list, where you can tell ChatGPT to give you clearer formatting. And right here, one of the coolest things, if you're a big emoji fan, you can tell ChatGPT to add more emojis when responding, and it will do it. That's really cool. So right here is custom instructions. This is where the magic happens. You can tell it, what must it call me? What's my vibe? What's my job? What do I love? What do I hate? How must it answer me? Put whatever you want there, be real. And right at the bottom where it says memory, right next to memory, you'll see a manage button. If you click that, you'll see a box where you can search memories that have been saved. Pretty cool option if you ask me. So close out of that. Make sure both of these are switched on. Reference saved memories and reference chat history. Trust me, turn those on. That's how you get the best, most personalized help from it. One more thing,
There is an advanced options section right here, but I wouldn't change anything in there. I leave everything on default, but that's just me. Alright fam, that's where we're stopping for today. We're out of time. I don't want to make this one too long. We'll do a part 2 to finish the rest. But if this helped you even a small bit, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and ring that bell so you don't miss when part 2 drops. Because the winning start, we're about helping you start strong, level up, and finish even stronger. Until next time, peace, progress, and mad prosperity. Keep winning, my people. Be great.